Hello, dear students, good morning. My dear budding students, let's start reading the last part of this chapter, birth. Okay, we have to start the chapter beta from this page 69. From page number 69. Okay, beta, let's start. And then, as by a miracle, the pygmy chest, which his hands enclosed, gave a short, convulsive heave. The word pygmy stands for here beta, very little, small, little in size. And the word convulsive stands for here beta. The word convulsive means unsteady, involuntary reaction in the body. Heave stands for here kind of movement. Okay. And then, as by a miracle, soon after it all, when Dr. Andrew Manson had pressed and released that child's very small chest, little chest, when he had performed his work, or when we had applied his method, that is the second attempt or method, by pressing and releasing his body continuously. So all of a sudden, when he stopped doing it, so as if some miracle had taken place there, some miracle had happened. So that the pygmy chest, the very little chest of that child, which is hands enclosed, since at that time Dr. Andrew Manson had already put his both the hands over his chest. So he noticed, he felt also that in the body of the child, there was an unsteady movement in the body of the child, and he felt so that again the same movement appeared in the body of the child, and it was continued felt by Dr. Andrew Manson. And then, as by a miracle, the pygmy chest, which is hands enclosed, gave a short convulsive heave, another and another. Okay, Dr. Andrew Manson felt it that there had been some unsteady movement in the body of the child, and he really felt so much delighted at that moment. Andrew turned giddy. The word giddy stands for a dizzy. Okay, empty-handed. Felt empty-handed. Okay, almost in unconscious mood. Andrew turned giddy, chakrana. Andrew had worked very hard for the last 1.5 hours, and he had really been so much tired, exhausted, that he started feeling himself totally empty-headed, or we may say he started also feeling dizziness, chakkar se aane lag gaya usko. The sense of life springing beneath his fingers. Dr. Andrew Manson also felt that there was some symptoms of returning life to the body of that child, whom he had considered as a dead child before some time. After all that unavailing striving, unavailing stands for a beta futile, useless. Striving stands for a struggle. Oh, Dr. Andrew Manson thought that after his so long futile, useless struggle, he had really got succeeded. He had really got succeeded in his mission, and he had been fully able to bring life back to that still bodied child, through that second method of respiration, was so exquisite, it almost made him faint. The word exquisite stands for here so fabulous, so that the moment really appeared Okay, so fabulous, so fantastic for Dr. Henry Manson that he could hardly control over his emotions, and he found himself almost in senseless or fainted condition. Since he could hardly believe it all on his part, विश्वास नहीं कर पा रहा था कि यार ऐसा हो भी सकता है क्या, बट ऐसा हो गया था. He redoubled his efforts furiously. Furiously means very, okay, strugglefully, very energetically, actively. Again, Dr. Henry Manson, okay, made his again Dr. Henry Manson uh, did the same task, of pressing and releasing the chest of that child, and he continued doing it for some more moments. The child was gasping now deeper and deeper. Okay, now the child had started taking long breaths with much difficulty. अब बड़े बड़े श्वास, लंबे लंबे श्वास उस बच्चे ने लेने शुरू कर दिए थे. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि मानो उसके शरीर में श्वास लौट आया हो. A bubble of mucus came from one tiny nostril. Meanwhile, he also noticed that a bubble of some liquid part had also come out from one of his nostrils. A joyful, iridescent stands for a bit of colorful bubble. Really, it was so pleasing. It was so heart pleasing bubble. Okay, in a colorful, okay, it was really a very colorful, heart pleasing, so cheering bubble, which really comforted the feelings of Dr. Henry Manson. Dr. Henry Manson ने देखा कि हाँ, अब इसके नाक से भी, इसकी एक नासिका से भी कुछ थोड़ा सा इस प्रकार का हल्का सा एक बबल, एक हल्का सा इस प्रकार से एक छोटा सा बबल में क्या होता है हिंदी में जिसको बोलते हैं ना, हल्का सा ऊपर से क्या उठ के आ जाना. बबल मीन्स, यस, यू नो समथिंग अबाउट बबल. द वर्ड बबल मीन्स पानी में नहीं उठते. क्या उठते पानी के अंदर, बताओ जरा. बबल्स ऑफ वाटर नहीं होते, बुलबुला. अरे भाई इतना देर लगाओगे कि तुम. हल्का सा एक नाक के अंदर से छोटा सा पानी का सा, जैसे जिसको हम अलग भाषा में शब्द यूज करते हैं, उसके उस रंग कलरफुल जो है ना, एक बुलबुला नाक में से बाहर निकल कर के आया. द लिम्स वर नो लॉन्गर बोनलेस. नाउ डॉक्टर एंड्री मैनसन ऑल्सो फेल्ट दैट द चाइल्ड्स लिम्स, बॉडी ऑर्गन्स वर ऑल्सो नो लॉन्गर बोनलेस. अब उसके शरीर के अंदर उसने जब दबा दबा के देखा तो उसको लगा कि हाँ, इस बच्चे के शरीर में हड्डियाँ भी हैं. द हेड नो लॉन्गर ले बैक स्पाइनलेसली. ओके, अब उसका सर जो था ना, बच्चे का सर, वह भी हड्डी रहित हालात में बिल्कुल एक तरफ नहीं मुड़ रहा था. देयर हैड बीन सम हार्डनेस in the head of that child also, and it was not bending down so loosely, so laxly at that moment. The blanched skin was slowly turning pink. The blanched means colorless. That the colorless white skin was now turning into the pink color very slowly, gradually. धीरे धीरे वह रंगहीन, बिल्कुल सफ़ेद पड़ा हुआ उसका शरीर अब धीरे धीरे गुलाबी शरीर में परिवर्तित हो रहा था. ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो जाने की वजह से सब हो गया था. Then immediately came the child's cry, but very happily, very cheerfully the child also cried. Okay, at that moment he also started weeping. और बच्चे ने जब रोना शुरू कर दिया तो समझो कि बच्चा स्वस्थ हो गया. Dear Father in heaven, the nurse sobbed hysterically. It has come alive. Oh, that the nurse who was also watching the whole drama, standing a few yards away from Dr. Henry Manson. So she really spoke such words, remembering Jesus Christ. Firstly, she thanked Jesus Christ, saying that the child had really been alive. The child had really been alive, and she felt really so much happiness at that time, and she expressed her happiness in a very hysterically stands for here, in such an emotion which could hardly be controlled. Uncontrollable emotions. शी कुड हार्डली कंट्रोल और emotions, and she was really in okay she was really in the weeping like image at that moment. बेटा उस वक्त वास्तव में उसके भावों पर वो काबू नहीं कर पा रही थी, वह वैसे रोने की स्थिति में हो रही थी। शॉब्ड सुबकिया से भरते हैं तो हल्की सी शुभकी लेना, जैसे कि मानो उसको उसका मन भराया हो। इस प्रकार से उसने परमात्मा का धन्यवाद करते हुए कहा, हे भगवान, ये बच्चा जीवित हो गया, ये बच्चा जीवित हो गया, बहुत अच्छा हो गया। एंड्रयू हैंडेड हर द चाइल्ड, डॉक्टर एंड्रयू मेंसन ने उस बच्चे को उसको सौंपा। ही फेल्ट वीक एंड डेज्ड, उस वक्त डॉक्टर एंड्रयू मेंसन काफ़ी अपने आप में कमज़ोरी महसूस कर रहा था, काफ़ी जो है ना उसको इस प्रकार से उसकी आंखें चुंधिया सी रही थी कि भाई हो क्या रहा है, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मेरे को बड़ी कमज़ोरी से महसूस हो रहा था। अबाउट हिम द रूम ले इन ए सडरिंग glitter, उसके चारों तरफ, अबाउट मीन्स ऑल अराउंड हिम देयर वर सो मैनी थिंग्स विच वर scattered here and there, okay, on the floor of that bedroom, उस बेडरूम की फर्श के ऊपर वो सब चीज़ें इधर उधर बिखरी पड़ी थी। ब्लैंकेट्स, टॉवल्स, बेसिन्स, सॉइल्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, कंबल, तौलिए, वे बड़े बड़े पतीले, धामे, वो मिट्टी से सने हुए बाकी के यंत्र, द हाइपोडर्मिक सिरिंज, वह सुई, इम्पेल्ड मीन्स पियरेस्ट बाई, PIERCED, पियरेस्ट का मतलब होता है चुभना, जो अभी भी सुई के साथ में, जो सुई अभी भी उस नलकी के साथ लगी हुई थी उसकी बात करने लग रहा है। द हाइपोडर्मिक सिरिंज इम्पेल्ड बाई इट्स पॉइंट इन द लिनोलियम स्टैंड्स फॉर है बेटा इन द फ्लोरिंग ऑफ दैट रूम, उस फर्श के ऊपर अभी भी ये सब चीज़ें इधर से उधर, सब की सब चीज़ें इधर उधर बिखरी पड़ी थी। द ईवर नॉक्ड ओवर, यहाँ तक कि जो जग था वो भी लुढ़का हुआ पड़ा था। द कैटल ऑन इट साइड इन ए पडल ऑफ वाटर, पडल मीन्स पूल ऑफ वाटर, पानी काफ़ी सारा भरा हुआ था वहाँ पर, क्योंकि पहले 2 धामों में पानी मंगाया गया था, वो इधर उधर कहीं गिर गया होगा, तो उस पानी के फर्श के अंदर जो पानी भरा पड़ा था, उस पानी के ऊपर इस प्रकार से केतली भी इधर उधर तैर रही थी, इधर उधर आ जा रही थी। अपॉन द हडल्ड बेड द मदर स्टिल ड्रीम्ड हर वे क्वाइटली थ्रू द एनेस्थेटिक, और चारपाई के ऊपर इकट्ठी होकर पड़ी हुई, अर्थात अपने घुटनों को मोड़कर सो रही सुसैन मॉर्गन जो थी, वो बड़ी शांत भाव से चुपचाप अपने उस नशे वाली उस दवाई में अभी भी हल्की हल्की आंखें खोल करके सब देखने लग रही थी, अभी भी सौपन सा ले रही थी कि भाई मेरे बच्चा जीवित है कि नहीं है। द ओल्ड वुमन स्टिल स्टूड अगेंस्ट द वॉल, उसकी माँ अभी भी दीवार के साथ में सारा लेकर खड़ी हुई थी बेटा। बट आर हैंड्स वर टुगेदर, लेकिन उसने अपने हाथों को एक साथ मिला करके, हाथ जोड़ने की स्थिति में हाथों को एक साथ मिला रखा था। हर लिप्स मूव्ड विदाउट साउंड एंड शी वॉज प्रेइंग एट दैट टाइम, ओके, शी वॉज प्रेइंग, शी वॉज ऑफरिंग हर प्रेयर इन एन ऑडिबल वॉइस, इनऑडिबल वॉइस, सॉरी। वो उस वक्त जो है ना अपनी पूजा अर्चना, अपनी भगवान से जो प्रार्थना जो करने की, जो उसकी अपनी कोई भी अपना उसका जो तरीका था, उस प्रकार से अपने होठों को ला करके धीरे धीरे धीमी धीमी रफ्तार से वो अपनी प्रार्थना भी अर्जित कर रही थी भगवान को। मैकेनिकली एंड्रयू रंग आउट मीन्स स्पीच्ड आउट, निचोड़ना जिसको बोलते हैं ना। हिज स्लीव पुल्ड ऑन हिज जैकेट वेरी स्किलफुली, डॉक्टर एंड्रयू मेंशन, finally Dr. Andrew mentioned, when he had really completed his duty very honestly and successfully, so very skillfully and cleverly Dr. Andrew Manson squeezed out his sleeve, which had already been so much wet and it was dripping also, pulled on his jacket, and he took his jacket and also put it on, okay, put it on very hurriedly. I will fetch my bag later, nurse, and he told the nurse that he would like to collect his bag after some time from their house, from दिस हाउस। उसने कहा कि बता देना कि मैं अपना बैग दोबारा से बाद में आकर के लेकर चला जाऊंगा। ही वेंट डाउन स्टेयर्स थ्रू द किचन इनटू द स्कलरी, देन ही केम डाउन स्टेयर, ही वेंट डाउन स्टेयर्स, वो नीचे उतर करके आया, एंड ही प्रोसीडेड हिज वे थ्रू द किचन टू द स्कलरी, एंड ही स्टेप्ड इनटू द स्कलरी। स्कलरी स्टैंड्स फॉर ए प्लेस, ए रूम फॉर वॉशिंग डिशेज एंड फॉर सिमिलर वर्क, बर्तन इत्यादि साफ करने के लिए जहाँ पर कोई एक व्यवस्था कर दी जाती, पानी इत्यादि के लिए वाटर टैप्स लगा दिए जाते, उसकी बात करने लग रहा है। ही वेंट डाउन स्टेयर्स, Okay, when Dr. Andrew Manson had performed his duty very successfully, he went downstairs and entered the kitchen. Then he stepped ahead towards the scullery, towards that room, towards that place where water taps were already installed. His lips were dry. At that time he felt so much thirsty. उसको बड़ा बड़ा प्यास लग रही थी, बड़ा प्यासा था वो. At the scullery he took a long drink of water. Okay, at the scullery means reaching very near, reaching or very near to that water, to the water taps. He started drinking the water and he drank a lot of water there. काफ़ी प्यास लगी हुई थी, उसने बहुत सारा पानी वहाँ पर, जितना भी उसको प्यास थी उतना पानी उसने काफ़ी सारा पानी पिया. He reached for his hat and coat. Then he adjusted. Reached for him, adjusted. He adjusted his hat and coat very carefully. Since it was the only time when he was to go back to his home. Outside, he found Joe standing on the pavement with a tense, expectant face. When Dr. Andrew Manson stepped outside that house, he noticed that Joe Morgan was still standing on the pavement. Pavement means footpath, and he was waiting expectantly. He was waiting, okay, for doctor expectantly with a worried and tenseful face. उस वक्त जो मॉर्गन की हालत थोड़ी ख़राब सी थी, क्योंकि वह उस डॉक्टर के आने का इंतज़ार कर रहा था. ये सोच रहा था कि पता नहीं मुझे क्या समाचार मिलेगा क्या नहीं. ऑल राइट जो, ही सेड थिकली स्टैंड्स पुअर कॉन्फिडेंटली बेटा. डॉक्टर एंड्री मैनसन टोल्ड जो मॉर्गन, okay, so confidently saying it that each and everything had been totally right and there had been no problem, both all right. He also reported him that his wife and his child both were totally well. They were very fine and there was no problem with them. They felt so well. It was quite light, and by that time the day back, by that time it had been the time of daybreak, nearly 5 o'clock. It was the time of 5 o'clock when Dr. Andrew Manson started going back to his home. Okay, a few miners were already in the streets. When Dr. Andrew Manson stepped into that street, he found that some laborers who used to work in some mines had also appeared in that streets, and they were also going to their homes. The first of the night shift moving out, he also expected or guessed on his part that those the laborers had completed their shift in the mines, and now they were returning to their homes. As Andrew walked with them, Andrew Manson also started walking with them, spent and slow, since he was so much exhausted, tired. He had really spent the whole night without getting a wink of sleep. That's why he felt at that time so much dazed and uneasy at that moment. So his gait stands for चाल के लिए होता है बेटा, GAIT gait. At that time his gait was so slow. He was not walking so fast with the other laborers. His footfalls echoing with the others under the morning sky. Okay, and since it was the time of 5 o'clock and each and everything looked so silent, so the sound of his footsteps was also echoing with the sound of the footsteps of the laborers. उन बाकी के जो खान में करने वाले जो मजदूर थे, उन मजदूरों के कदमों के साथ साथ अब डॉक्टर एंड्रू मैनसन के कदमों की आवाज़ भी साथ साथ गूंज रही थी, सुनाई पड़ रही थी. He kept thinking blindly, oblivious to all other work. Oblivious stands for forgetfulness, as if he had forgot almost all the previous task of his life, and he started thinking. He kept thinking to all other work he had done in blindly. Actually, he had almost forgot all the previously attended works in the state blindly, and he focused only and only on the task which he had performed very strugglefully and successfully during the night hours just before some जस्ट सम आवर्स एगो, जस्ट सम आवर्स एगो, कुछ घंटों पहले उसने जो रात्रि के समय जो काम किया था उस काम को लेकर के वह विचार करता रहा कि यार कमाल हो गए, आज तो मैंने वास्तव में एक बहुत बड़ा रिस्क लिया था और मैं इस रिस्क में कामयाब हो गया हूँ। आई हैव डन समथिंग और गॉड, रिमेंबरिंग गॉड जीसस क्राइस्ट since he was a Christian, and he expressed his happiness like this, saying that he had really performed a very fabulous task, fabulous job, special task. He had got really a very big achievement. I have done something real at last. And he again repeated the same statement, saying that he had really performed his duty with a big achievement. So he had really got a very big achievement, and he had done something real at last. So really it was not a simple task for Dr. Andrew Manson, since he was totally inexperienced and he had not got so much experience in his medical profession. But thereafter he did each and everything with much intelligence and confidence, and he finally got succeeded. So through this chapter, beta, we also learned this the great lesson. This is the great lesson to be fully optimistic, struggleful, diligent, hardworking, determined, to confront or to meet all kinds of to defeat all kinds of challenges in our life, so that we can lead a very we can achieve a number of unprecedented, unexpected such kinds of achievements. We can got unexpected achievements, unprecedented achievements on behalf of our positivity and much confidence. Thank you, beta. Today we have completed this the chapter, and with the completion of this chapter we have also completed the syllabus in literature. Now we would like to start learning the topics in grammar. Thank you.